Have you ever felt like people are ignoring you, even when you're trying your best? You text them, no reply. You talk, they don't listen. But why does this happen? In this video, we'll break down the real psychological reasons why people ignore you, and more importantly, how you can fix it. 1. You try too hard. When you constantly try to impress people, you lose your natural personality. People can sense desperation, and strangely, the more you chase attention, the more people pull away. How to fix it? Be natural. Stop trying to please everyone. Confidence comes from being comfortable with yourself. 2. Lack of confidence. Confidence is silent, but very powerful. If you speak with hesitation, avoid eye contact, or constantly doubt yourself, people subconsciously feel you're not important. How to fix it? Speak clearly, maintain eye contact. Even if you don't feel confident, act like it. 3. You're always available. If you're always there, always replying instantly, people start taking you for granted. Scarcity creates value. How to fix it? Don't be available all the time. Focus on your own life. Let people miss you. 4. You don't add value. People naturally move towards those who add value to their life. If conversations with you feel boring, repetitive, nor negative, they slowly lose interest. Learn new things. Improve your communication. Be someone people enjoy talking to. 5. Negative energy. If you always complain, gossip, or spread negativity, people will avoid you. Energy matters more than words. How to fix it? Be positive. Smile more. Bring good vibes into conversations. 6. You don't respect yourself. This is the biggest reason. If you allow disrespect, if you don't set boundaries, people won't value you. How to fix it? Respect yourself first. Say no when needed. Set standards for how others treat you. Conclusion. People don't ignore you because you're not good enough. They ignore you because of certain behaviors you can change. The moment you work on yourself, your confidence, your energy, your value, people will start noticing you automatically. If you found this helpful, subscribe to InfoSphere for more powerful insights like this, because small changes create big results.